Okay, Solid Rock, I know that, you know, this is a bonus video. This is a bonus video. You know, when it comes to music, if you follow me, I don't stop right around the clock, right? But I feel like doing a bonus video, okay? And this one, I'm feeling the vibes. I'm in the vibes for this tune. And it's a Treasure Isle. You know, Mr. Duke Reid from the Duke Reid stable. Treasure Isle label, right? This one is U-Roy, Daddy U-Roy, father of the DJs. Seen? And the Paragons, which you know, that's featured John Holt. Wear it to the ball, okay? This is an Irie vibe, good groovy vibe. And hey, like I said, it's Valentine's Day too, so this is dancehall style Valentine, right? Okay. Wear it to the ball from the top. Solid Rock at the control tower every hour. Lick it back from the top to the very last drop. The musical lollipop, never get dropped. Scotcha, U-Roy again. Daddy U-Roy with them vibes. The scene. Come in again, Father U-Roy. We play no toy. Bring it to the ball. Daddy U-Roy with the Paragons. Easy. Go through with it. You know the man say, baby.
I'm gonna wear you to the ball tonight. Put on your best dress tonight.
The rude mother man says, baby, get be your best, cause this gonna be your musical dance. So come to school, let I dig you the musical groove. Dig me soul brothers and dig my soul sisters. Come to Wild, maybe you can make it if you try. So be wise and be gentle and put on the best. Because I've got two musical keys. Drop it, baby, I just coming again. Because I'm tougher than tough and that ain't no bluff. Maybe it's because I've got the musical stuff.
I'm gonna make you the talk of the town. No use wearing a frown. Though them other guys may put you down, I'm gonna let you wear my crown. Though them other guys may put you down, you wear my crown.
Wow! Chick-a-bow, chick-a-bow, chick-a-bow. Chick-a-bow, wow, wow. Give me soul, brother, give me soul, sister.
Soul brother, soul
Don't make
chicken
me
bow.
mercy. Move it up and wake it up. I tell you about it, it's good. Wow! She's got it, she's got it, she's got it. Are we gonna have a musical bar? So get out the bar and don't start. I'll make you busy. Wow! Tell you about it, it's good.
I'm gonna wear you to the ball tonight. Put on your best dress tonight.
That's for sure. Play red music because this never think about with me. Wow, I tell you about it. She's got it. She's got it. She's got it. Wow, chick-a-bow, 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 wow, wow. Chick-a-bow, wow, 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 wow.
Sounds of yesteryear. Oh my gosh. Chickabow, 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 wow, wow. Tune into the radical style and make you ride the control tower every hour, no shower. You know it's the power. Unity every hour. Yeah, yeah. Backside. Lyrics. Yes, no physics lyrics. Daddy, you right. That's what I tell you. I had to drop this one. Yeah, man. Treasure Isle label. Now, what you were listening to is 1970. Seeing a 1970 release. The original tune was by the Paragons, Way to the Ball, and you know, in comes Daddy U-Roy with him DJ style, wicked profile, crucial style. You know what I mean? And well versatile. And I'm telling you, man, this was a massive monster hit. Right? That's when the DJ thing now start getting more prominent. You know? And yeah, man. Matter of fact, let me do oh boy, let me do one more. I'm gonna do one more. And that's it. I'm not giving you guys any more after this one. Yeah, just keep it locked. Keep it locked.